Good morning, dear students. My name is Ferhan Mazher, and in this video, we are working on the book 3, Think New Syllabus Mathematics 8th edition, published by the Oxford University Press. Book 3, we are working on its exercise 3C. The exercise 3C is about solving the quadratic equations with the help of the graphical method, and the chapter number 3 is about the quadratic and the fractional equations. Okay, so we are trying to make the graphs of quadratic, and here we are in this video we are going to work on the question number 2. So you can see the question number 2, the variable x and y are connected by the equation y is equals to 7 minus 5x minus 3x square. Complete the table. Okay, draw the graph and then hence solve this equation. Okay, so so the equation in this question number 2 they have given is y. Let me see if this is visible. y is equals to y is equals to 7 minus 5x minus 3x square. So we have to draw a table. Here you have the x and then you have the y, and this goes from minus 3 minus 2, then you have 1, then you have 0, this is minus 1, then you have 1, then you have 2. Okay, so we have to first of all complete this table, and if we want to complete this table, we need calculator. So with the help of the calculator I will complete this. Okay, simply enter these values in your calculator. I will show you how this is done. Okay, so 7 minus 5 bracket minus 3 bracket close, and then you have minus 3 bracket minus 3 bracket close and square and equals to. So see, this is what I have entered on my calculator, and this is when the x is minus 3, the y will be minus 5. Now we will see that when the x is minus 2, what will be the value of the y. So I will write 7 minus 5 bracket minus 2 bracket close, and then you have minus 3 bracket minus 2 bracket close square equals to 7 minus 5 bracket minus 2 bracket close and minus 3 bracket, you have minus 2 bracket close square and equals to, and that gives me a positive 5. Okay, so I will write here 5. So then I will enter 7 minus 5 multiplied with bracket minus 1 bracket close minus 3 bracket minus 1 bracket close square equals to, and this gives me 9. Okay, so this gives me 9. Okay, when you enter 0 it will be 7, when you enter 1 it will be 7 minus 5 minus 3, so it's minus 8, and it will be minus 1, I think. When you enter 2 it will be 7 minus 5 minus 3 equals to minus 1. Okay, then you will have 7 minus 5 uh, multiply 2 minus 3 multiply 4 equals to, that's minus 15. Okay, so this is I completed the table. So let's check if the answers are right, and then we will draw this graph. Okay, so we are working on exercise 3C. It's question number we have exercise 3C, and the question number 2 minus 5 5 9 7 minus 1, and then you have minus 15. Okay, so I can show you the answers. Question number 2. Okay, so now we will plot this graph. Okay, so if I want to plot this graph at -3, it is -5. At -3, it is -5. And at -2, it is +5. Oops. And at -1, it is 9. And at 0, it is 7. Okay. And at 1, it is -1. And at 2, it is -15. Oh God. -15 is here. Oops. Okay, so you see the points I plotted. Now, because these points are far away from each other, so what we will try to do, we will find the points between them. Okay. So I will take further points. For example, I can take the point when the x is -0.5. Let's check. 7 -5 bracket minus 0.5 bracket close -3 bracket minus zero point 0.5 bracket close square equals to, and that is 8.75. You can see 8.75. So at minus 0.5, the answer is -8, 8.75. So it will be 1, 2 here. So this is the point. Okay. So then I will check what is the value at minus 1.5. Okay. So 7 minus 5 multiply bracket start minus 1.5 bracket close minus 3 multiply bracket start minus 1.5 bracket close square equal, and that is 7.75. 7.75. Okay. At minus 1.5, it is 7.75, which will be here. Okay. So it's still not smooth. Okay. So I need to know more points. Okay. So 7 minus 5 multiply bracket start minus 2.5 minus 2.5 bracket close minus 3 bracket start minus 2.5 bracket close square equal. So at minus 2.5, the answer is 0.75. 0.75 will be here. So this is the point. Okay. Then I will try the value on basically on minus 1.25. Okay. Because I want that curve to be very smooth, that's why I'm taking extra points. 7 minus 5 multiply bracket minus 1.25 minus 1.25 bracket close minus 3 bracket start minus 1.25 bracket close square equals to, and 8.56. Okay. So this is 8.5625. 8.5. So at this point, 8.5. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is approximately here. So you can say I can take a point here at 0.5 to make the graph more smooth. 7 minus 5 multiply 0.5 minus 3 multiply 0.5 and square. And that point is 3.75. At 0.5, the answer is 3.75. 3.75. 3.75 will be 1, 2, and here. Okay. So then, okay. Then I can take a point on 1.5. Okay, so 7 minus 5 multiply 1.5 minus 3 multiply 1.5 and square, and that is equals to minus 7.25. So this is here somewhere. 7 This is 725. This is the point. Okay, I think these are enough points because we just have to draw this. Nothing will be asked from here. So let's try. Okay, so it's going to be something like this. Okay, and for this, we have to be very careful. We are basically trying. Oops. So the position on which I am standing is okay. So this is that shape of the graph. Okay. This shape is called the parabola, and then they ask us a question. They ask us to solve this. He says, hence solve the equation. This is a very important concept. He says at the second part, hence solve the equation 7 minus 5x minus 3x equals to 0. So if you want to solve it, what they are asking you to solve that 7 minus 5x minus 3x square is equal to 0. You see, this is that curve whose graph you have already drawn, and this is, we call it the line. So make this equals to y. So you have to draw the line of y equals 0. The line y equals to 0 is already drawn there. So this is that line. Y equals to 0 is this line. This is that line. Okay. So when it cuts this, so what is the value here? So when I check what is this value, this is approximately -2.55. Okay. And what is this value? This value is 0 point something, 0 point I think 2 squares backwards, so it's like 0 point maybe 9. Okay, so let's check if our answers are right, because we are working on the graph, and the graph we have drawn ourselves, so a little bit up and down is possible. There's no problem with it. Okay, so their answers are question number 2, exercise 3C, question number 2, you see 2.55 and 0.9 is the answer, sir. So this is how the question number 2 of the exercise 3C is solved. You see, the exercise 3C is about solving the quadratic equations with the help of the graphical method. And the chapter number 3 is about the quadratic and the fractional equations. So we are covering this topic from the Think New Syllabus Mathematics 8th edition, their third book. The book is published by the Oxford University Press. You see this book and the questions, they are the property of the Oxford University Press. The credit of the book and the questions is to the Oxford University Press. My name is Ferhan Mazher, and I am only presenting you the how to draw these graphs. You see, this topic is being taught to the ninth Cambridge, 10th Cambridge also study this topic, quadratic equations and their graphs. And I hope that this video will be helpful to you. In this video, we have solved the question number 2 of the exercise 3C. If you find this video interesting and useful, please like this video. Please share the link of this video with all the people who you think need this. So thank you very much. Have a good night, sir. God bless you all.